Oh no, it says the park is closed due to construction.
Oh, it's fine. We can still go. What's the worst that can happen?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is day 19 of Vlogtober, and today I will finally be making my kids' spooky baskets. So the first thing that you'll need is these little Halloween pails. They were 98 cents at Walmart. I got this witch one for my daughter, and just it for my son it just has like pumpkins, a cat, you know, just basic Halloween stuff. So the first thing I'm going to put into it is my kids' Build-A-Bears, which I know they're going to be the most excited about. So for my son, I have this really huge Spider-Man. I didn't intend for it to be this big, but they didn't have anything Halloween like for my son, and he loves Spider-Man, so why not? And for my daughter, they did have Halloween Build-A-Bears. So I just got her this Night Magic Cat. I'm going to put that in first. The next thing I'm going to put into their baskets is these cute little glow eye masks. So I got the one that kind of resembles Catboy for my son. And then for my daughter, I got her a unicorn one. And I don't know if I already said, but those were 98 cents. The next thing that I got are these little glow buttons. I got a skeleton for my son. Just stick that down in there, and then I got a unicorn for my daughter. And now we're just gonna put these little the glow buttons were 98 cents. Now we're gonna put in the glow bracelets, also 98 cents from Walmart as well. And I did a video, a Walmart haul, and I believe I showed most of these items, so I'll link it in the cards for you guys. Also, my allergies are killing me, so I'm very congested. So if I sound gross, sorry. So the next thing I got were these cute little, I think they're called tumblers. Yes, mini tumblers, also 98 cents. I got a skeleton for my son. Stick that down in there. And then for my daughter, I got her a little witch cup. I found so many things for 98 cents. I was pretty pleased with myself. The next thing I got were these cute little cups. I believe they're called pumpkin sippy cups. And I just got this cute little one for my daughter. And I got same thing, but just in blue for my son. And I think I already said those were 98 cents as well. And so then I just got a little bit of these little filler items. These are just some Halloween bat rings for 98 cents. So a ton in here for 98 cents. So I'm just gonna try to go with a theme for my daughter. So I'm just gonna give her a couple purple ones. Purple ones in there. And probably put some orange ones in there for her. And then for my son, I think I'm gonna go with the green ones. And maybe some black for him. He doesn't really have a lot of space left, but whatever. And so the next thing I got was some more filler items, which I know I'm gonna regret. I got some Halloween flutes. Why? Why would I do this to myself? I don't know, maybe maybe they could play with it at their grandparents' house. I think that's a great idea. So it was 98 cents for 2, 4, 6, 8 for 8. That's a good deal. So for my son, I'm just gonna go in with one blue and one green. For my daughter, I'm gonna go in with let's give her 2 purple. And the last thing I picked up for their spooky baskets were these Halloween party teeth. And This was 98 cents as well. And it also came with multiple. So for my daughter, keep it with the theme. I'm just going to give her 2 purple ones. And for my son, let's see. I was going to give him black, but that's no fun. Let's give him 1 green. Well, let's just give him 2 green because they'll fight. Let's give him 2 green. So, these are my spooky baskets. Super cheap, super affordable. The reason why I wanted to do this year is because it is very hard trying to explain what's going on in the world to a 2-year-old and a 4-year-old. So I've been trying to keep things as normal as we can. That's why I took them to Boo in the Zoo. We follow all safety precautions provided by our state. We had on masks and we stayed 6 feet away from people, and we also didn't stay that long either. So I still want my kids to have fun and to enjoy their childhood, but to do it safely. So if you are a parent and you are unsure of what to do with your kids for Halloween, I encourage you to make one of these baskets. The most expensive thing in my baskets were these Build-A-Bears, and they were on sale. So I want to say my son's was $14 and my daughter's was only like $5 or $7. But without these items, this basket will cost you maybe around $6. Super affordable and definitely worth it. Okay, so I'm going to get the kids' reaction to these spooky baskets. Okay, Malachi, that one is yours. And Gabriella, that one is yours. Get it. Got it? Look at it. See what's in it. Do you like it? What do you like?
Spider-Man baby.
I knew you would like it. You can take you can take this stuff out. Is that a cup?
Yes. Yeah.
That's how he's like?
Yes.
Do you like him?
Yes.
Okay, you can take it out and put it on the table right here. What else you got?
Mama, this together.
Is a skeleton?
Yes.
What you got, Gabby?
Yes.
You got that?
Yes.
Do you like it? Ooh, that's so cool. You got a lot of stuff in there. I know you really care about your baby. Gabby, you got a baby too?
Spider-Man.
Yes, Spider-Man. Look at your baby, Gabby. Right here, that's yours.
Baby.
Yeah, pull it out.
Look at Spider-Man baby. Today you got Spider-Man baby. Spider-Man baby. Yes.
You like that?
Yes.
Gabby, look at your baby.
The baby.
Right here. It's the kitty cat. It's a kitty cat. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and you should consider watching the rest of my Vlogtober videos, and definitely hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and comment down below. Until next time, bye.